Greetings to everyone, to the public especially, and to all the talents of Meghalaya, Shillong. It is this time from the Meghalaya Talent Search Organization. We are very happy to announce that after a long pandemic, we are going to organize the Northeast Specially Abled Got Talent Season 1. This is especially for the Northeast, and it is also specially meant for the specially abled people, with PWDs. And the winners, prices for the winner will be 15,000, and first runner-up will be 10,000. Second runner-up is 7,000, and we have 7 consolation prizes, rupees 1,000 each. And for this competition, it is absolutely free, registration free, entry free. We have got 3 rounds. One is audition round, one is semi-final round, and one is grand finale round. Only 3 rounds. And eligibilities for the differently abled candidates, PWD only, who are the permanent residents of any of the northeastern states of India, possessing the following valid documents, irrespective of age or gender: identity certificate, any of these, whether it may be a birth certificate, secondary school leaving certificate, ration card, school or college ID, passport, voter's ID, or PAN card. 2. This disability certificate certified by a government registered institution or an authorized medical officer. This is very important for proof. Another important point is that they should be a permanent resident of India. Audition round from 2nd of May 2022 at 9 a.m. and will be closed on the 16th of May 2022 at 9 p.m.
So the registration link will be available during the above mentioned dates at the Mtso YouTube channel and Meghalaya's Got Talent Facebook page. For further information, kindly also communicate with the number 89743748334. Again, I repeat, 89743748334. They can also send a message to this given number. Now, about a little brief about the Meghalaya's Talent Search Organization. It is a voluntary non-profit organization from Meghalaya, founded on 2016 under the leadership of Mrs. Mildred S. Pingrove as the presidential date. The aim of this organization is to organize different talent hunt shows, thereby providing platforms for the people of the region or state, including the differently abled person PWD, reaching to many nooks and corners and taking them to other varieties of bigger platform too. The Meghalaya's Talent Search Organization efforts ends not only as a one-day show, but the performances are being telecast on TV channels, social media platforms like YouTube and Facebook, as to expose them across the globe. The events that have already been held is the Meghalaya's Talent Search is the Meghalaya's Got Talent Season 1, Meghalaya's Got Talent Season 2, Season 3 and Season 4. And also Meghalaya's Got Specially Abled Talent Season 1, which is the show meant specially for the differently abled people, was held during December 2018 in Shillong. But as we also having the different section of our society, so just as we witnessed, there are always special quota for such section in our society and all over the world. So also we are doing the same thing by providing a special platform for them to showcase their skills and talents as an encouragement to them, and also to let them feel the worthiness of life.
Namatay ki pirudi kening ada perlong mensua hau benar Desember araja katra Katadika season 1. But ni don't get it online competition is in collaboration with the social welfare department. The intention is to encourage. We have been encouraging all the talented people of Meghalaya. We have been trying our best to, like as mentioned just now, we've been hunting for the talents from the nook and corners of Meghalaya, to bring them forward, to encourage them, to give them the platform that they need, because we found out that there are many people who are shy, who are extremely talented, but they don't get a proper platform. So because of that reason, we started this Meghalaya's Got Talent. And then after that, we came up with this idea of why not let us also do a show for the specially able talent. And on saying that, I don't mean that we are trying to discriminate or anything. There's nothing like that. They can still come to compete in Meghalaya's Got Talent also. So, like I said, this shows this competition is especially for them.
There are also upcoming events, that is the Northeast Specially Able Talent through online mode, Meghalaya's Got Talent Season 5 and Meghalaya's Specially Abled Got Talent Season 2.